Hey guys, Brian here. I am at the Hard Rock Hotel here at Universal Orlando Resort, and I figured I would show you my room. I am here on a family vacation, which is why I'm not wearing my touring plan shirt. Here is my room at number 7107. Now, we have actually been here for a couple days, so you might notice some stuff lying around. I will try to edit some video around that so you don't see all of it, all of our junk. But housekeeping did come in today, so it looks pretty nice. I figured I would show you. This is the main bedroom. It is a pretty standard size-wise. Very high ceilings, though. These are, I would assume, 10-foot ceilings in this room. The beds are pretty comfortable. They have these very non-rock pillows on them that say, "Quiet, please," and "Be nice." You can see in between my kids' stuffed animals over there. There are a few pretty cool touches in here, though. One of them I like is this mirror right here, where you can see basically how tall different musicians are. Hopefully you can read some of that. We've got on the lower end Kristen Chenoweth here. Well, actually, the very low end down here is Shirley Temple, presumably when she was a child, though. We've got Kristen Chenoweth. Pat Benatar, Dolly Parton are both fairly tiny at 5 feet. We move up to Madonna, Aretha Franklin, Beyonce, Michael Bublé, Bruce Springsteen. How Michael Bublé got the larger font over Bruce Springsteen doesn't seem right. And all the way up to Snoop Dogg. I am right about, James Taylor, Jay-Z-ish range right there. The other mirror in this room, I took a long time on that one. The other mirror in this room is splattered with, I'm gonna say, blood. You're in a room, you're a rock star, you smash your guitar, you take a piece of it, stab a guy with it, rock and roll stuff. The only other art in this room basically is that what looks like speakers over there. We have a nice little seating area right here with these pillows on it. And then there is this other seating area at this desk here. Right in between is one of these power strips that has one USB port, 2 regular plugs. There's another one of those in between the beds on the nightstand over there. One of the cool things you can do here at the Hard Rock, you can actually ask for a turntable, a record player with records, or you can get a guitar and a mini amplifier. They're just free of charge. You do have to put a deposit down on it, but you get that deposit returned when you give it back. And one of the channels here, the one playing behind me, is guitar lessons. Right now they're doing All Apologies by Nirvana. They just did a Bob Marley song right before this. So if you are, not a great guitar player, you can actually learn a little bit here on a nice Fender guitar. I am a very bad guitar player, so I think that's even a little advanced for me. The window here, no balcony at all. We are kind of looking out over there is Portofino Bay. You can see my room tour and resort tour of that if you want. And over there is the boat dock you can kind of make out. We are very close to the boat dock here. Now, I am on the 7th floor. 7th floor is the rock royalty level, what Disney would call club level. So we have a lounge here that has snacks and stuff. That is a different video, but the room looks pretty much the same. We have a couple of drawers, 4 drawers here under the TV. Pretty good sized drawers. We were here 5 nights and we managed to fit all of our stuff in those drawers with, I think, 1 to spare. So that's good. Here is the kind of mini bar, Keurig coffee maker. Down here is the refrigerator. Closet in there, nothing super special. And there is a wall safe in there. It is one of those very thin ones that you can kind of put an iPad in, but I doubt a laptop would fit in it totally. On to the bathroom here. One of the things I like in here is this very, very neat looking drumstick art display that I keep doing this on. But it is a neat way to use musical instruments. Almost all the art fixtures here are musical instruments, which you will see in my resort tour, which is probably coming out after this. There is one sink here with quite a bit of counter space. No storage below it, though. That is something I kind of wish was there, because there's a lot of space down there. But in the bathroom here, we have another sink. which is very nice because at least two people can be using sinks at the same time. And it is nice if you are using the bathroom, you can kind of just wash your hands here, so even if somebody else is using it. Kind of wish there was something on here, there's not. You can just lose stuff in there. Bathtub, pretty generic looking bathtub for such a nice resort. Good shower head, good water pressure in here. I haven't stayed here in about 10 years actually. I liked it then and I still really like it now. It's a nice resort. It's fairly cool. Your dads will like it anyway. There's a lot of rock music. It doesn't fade as much into classic rock as I expected it to. They do play a lot of, semi-modern rock, 90s, early 2000s kind of thing. And they do mix in pop songs and more current ones too. My kids have known a lot more of the songs here than I expected them to be honest. So that's it for the room. Just remember, quiet please, and be nice. Be excellent to each other.